Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And I want to be very clear from the onset, and unlike what seems my colleagues are alluding to, what we are dealing here is a sessional paper. Our report on the sessional paper is not privatization proceedings in respect to privatization of Kenya pipeline. I think people need to read. So when I hear already my colleagues jumping the gun, postulating, imagine how they build level 10 hospitals and the rest, it causes a lot of confusion. And that's why we lose the debate in a house like this. Owen Barr, being a seasoned member, should have told the country very clearly, this is a report of sessional paper that proposes. So, Honorable Speaker, number one, we need to go on record. Government has got no business in business. That is the position all over the world. Government has no business in a business. Number two, privatization to unlock value is a good idea all over the world. Number three, we have had privatization process in this country that have ended well, but some have ended up very badly. And one of them is the Webuye paper, where the company was sold for song by some powerful people, went and ripped off its assets and walked away. We have even the case of KCC that was sold, and it took the intervention of President Mwai Kibaki to buy it back. Honorable Speaker, another classical case of failure is being authored here today. Another classical case of plunder and theft is being authored here today. Honorable Speaker, in policy number 7, we are told there are some amorphous people who claim money out of Kenya pipeline. We have not been told who are they, how it occurred, and what remedy was taken to punish those who oversaw the plan of these resources. You are told they're spending lawsuits amounting to 5.7 billion. Your guess is good as mine. Who are the claimants? Who are the lawyers? And who are the brokers in this matter? And who are the judges going to be bribed so that they can pass judgment early enough so that when the billions come, their first charge, they are paid. Honorable Speaker, secondly, we are being told the Zakem case. All of us who have been here know the Zakem case. They know who authored the Zakem scandal. They are walking scot-free in this country. None of them has ever been brought to book. We are selling, stripping public assets to pay crooks who are already in bed by people who are in government at the moment. Honorable Speaker, we are told the number D, potential of loss of public funds amounting to 192 billion. Yet whoever perpetuated this, we have not been told where they are. Honorable Speaker, to sell an asset, to pay pending bills, which have not even been verified, which have been accumulated deliberately, is foolhardy. For how long will you keep on selling assets to pay pending bills and loans we accumulate every day to do non-productive activities? Honorable Speaker, and then the fear, the monopoly and the oligopoly that will come into this. Honorable Speaker, the principle might be good, but the foundation, the principles, the grounds for this privatization is all crooked process, Honorable Speaker. All crooked, all skewed to benefit a few people and leave the Kenyan people poorer than they were. And unfortunately, I stand to oppose. The rest can do whatever they want. I just want to go on record that it has been known there has been a sober voice who stood for the people of Kenya. Thank you.
As the Honorable Dr. James Nyikal.